like
Check out the
flap
full
your bird
video
all
on
the
Maximum
way
XD.
up to the screen. Is that even possible? Can you even do that? I might try it. I might try it soon. Actually, I'm gonna try... Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Maybe I should try it at the beginning. Go! Oh my gosh. He's actually overpowered. He's actually gone. Where's he going? Should I let go? Is he gonna come down? Maybe I should let go. He might come down. Alright, here we go. Where's my blue bird at? Come on, buddy.